Living Things Need Water by Bobby Kallman. Living Things Need Water is a nonfiction book. A nonfiction book is a book that tells us facts and information about the world around us. It is about something that really happened or something that really exists. On the page with the dragonfly, we can see a list of the book's contents. This list tells us where we can find the different types of information that are in the book. For example, page 6 tells us about how water changes. We can find information about animals living in oceans on page 14. What is water? Water is a liquid. Water has no taste. Water has no color. Water has no smell. Water has no shape. Water is everywhere. Water is in rivers and lakes. Water is in oceans. Water is in ponds. Water changes. Rain is liquid water. It falls from the sky in drops. Rain makes things wet. This girl is wet from the rain. Rain helps plants grow. Plants need water. There is water in clouds. When it is warm, the water falls as rain. When it is cold, the water falls as snow. There's a picture of a snowflake. Ice and snow are solid water. In winter, animals eat snow to get the water they need. Dew is liquid water. Small animals, such as this insect, get water from dew. Living things. People are living things. Plants are living things. Animals are living things. Water is not a living thing, but all living things need water to stay alive. Living things are made mostly of water. There is water inside your body. There is water inside plants. There is water inside animals. Most living things need to drink water every day. Thirsty plants. Plants need water to grow and make new plants. They need water to make food. Plants take in water through their roots. Most plant roots are in soil. There is water in soil. These plants are growing in soil beside a river. They get plenty of water. Plants make food in their leaves. They make food from sunlight, air, and water. Plants cannot make food without water. This plant is growing in soil. Its roots take water from the soil. The water travels up the stem to the leaves. These plants are growing in water. Their roots take in the water the plants need. The water travels up the stems. How do they drink? People and animals also need water to grow. They need water to move. People and animals feel thirsty when they need water. How do they drink water? People and many animals drink water using their mouths. Some animals do not have mouths. Birds drink water using their beaks. Some insects use a proboscis to eat and drink. An elephant has a proboscis too. It is called a trunk. Birds use their beaks to drink water. Elephants suck up water with their trunks and squirt it into their mouths. Living in oceans. Many animals live in water. They cannot live on land. Water is their home. Water has all the food they need too. Sharks, whales, octopuses, sea turtles, and many kinds of fish live in oceans. Oceans are made up of salt water. Do you know these ocean animals? Christmas tree worms, sea turtle, parrotfish, moray eel, dolphin? Which animal looks like a snake? Which animal has a hard shell? Which animal has a big smile? Which animal looks like a parrot? Which animal looks like a tree? For the answers, turn the book upside down. Water babies. Some animals live in fresh water. Fresh water does not contain a lot of salt. Frogs lay their eggs in ponds. Ponds have fresh water. This pond water is full of frog eggs. There are baby frogs inside the eggs. Tadpoles hatch from the eggs. Tadpoles live in water. They grow into frogs. Clean and cool. Animals take baths to clean their bodies. They also take baths to keep cool. This elephant is taking a cold shower under a waterfall. Hippos need to stay in water during the day. Their skin gets very dry in the sun and cracks. Hippos leave the water at night to find food. Tigers like to cool off in water. Keeping clean. People also need to keep clean to stay healthy. We need to take showers or baths often. We use water to wash ourselves and the other things we own. We use water to brush our teeth too. We need water to clean our homes. We need water to wash our clothes. This boy is washing dishes. He turned on the tap and filled the sink with water. Name 5 ways you use water every day. The girl has washed some towels in the washer. She has dried them in the dryer and folded them. Water fun. People need water, but most people also love water. Many people swim during the summer. What water games do you play in the pool or at the beach? People love snow and ice too. Snow and ice are frozen water. We use water in many ways. Water makes us feel great. On this page, we can find a list of words to know and an index. An index is usually found at the end of a book. It gives us a list of important names and words from the book and tells us what page number we can find them on. For example, information about clouds can be found on page 7. Information about ice can be found on 2 pages, pages 7 and 23.